Looking for the perfect smoothie maker but overwhelmed by all the choices? Stick around, we've tested and ranked the top blenders so you can find the right one without wasting time or money. Kicking off our list in the 5th spot is the Beast Mini Blender Plus, a personal blender with style and bite. This one's perfect for quick on-the-go blending, but let's be real, it's not designed for blending up a storm for the whole family. Still, for single-serving smoothies, it definitely holds its own. With 600 watts of power, ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, and a sleek, compact body, the Beast Mini looks modern and performs solidly in its category. It's surprisingly quiet, which is a big plus if you're blending early in the morning. You get a set of leak-resistant vessels in 3 sizes, and the whole setup is super easy to clean. There's even a self-cleaning function. Now, here's where it falls short. It's limited to single servings and doesn't perform well without plenty of liquid. And while it's nicely designed, the price is a bit steep for a personal blender. It also can't be used internationally due to voltage limitations. A deal breaker for some. If you want a stylish, quick smoothie fix just for yourself, this one's for you. But if you're thinking bigger or want more power, keep watching. The next option might be a better fit. And hey, if you're ready to check out the best deals, we've linked every product mentioned in this video right below in the description. Coming in 4th is the Hamilton Beach 58163 Wave Crusher, a true multitasker that tries to do it all, and sometimes pulls it off. With attachments for blending, food processing, and even a travel cup, this 3-in-1 machine packs serious versatility at a pretty accessible price. This blender uses the brand's Wave Action system to keep everything circulating toward the blades for smoother blends. It comes with a durable glass jar, a 3-cup food processor bowl, and a BPA-free travel cup for on the go. It's super convenient if you like to switch between smoothies, dips, or prepping veggies. But performance-wise, it's not quite up there with the best. Crushing ice can be a struggle, and the lid can be annoyingly tight. Plastic parts feel a bit flimsy, and even with 12 functions, you're really just toggling between a few basic speeds. It's not ideal for thicker blends like nut butter or frozen smoothie bowls. This one's a solid choice for someone who wants flexibility without breaking the bank. It's especially good for small families or occasional use. And if you're enjoying this breakdown, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more no-nonsense reviews. At number 3, we have the BLACK+DECKER Power Crush, a reliable countertop blender that doesn't try to be fancy, and that's actually its strength. It's straightforward, affordable, and does the job for everyday tasks like smoothies, sauces, and shakes. It features a durable 6-cup glass jar with an easy pour spout, a Quad Pro blade system designed for better flow, and a compact body that fits easily under most cabinets. At 700 watts, it's got enough punch for softer ingredients and ice when used with liquids. Plus, it's compatible with personal jars, which adds some flexibility. The downside? It's noisy, and like the Hamilton Beach, it doesn't handle tougher or drier ingredients well. You'll need to add a good amount of liquid for consistent results. Some users have also noted durability issues over time, especially with the jar lid and base. If you want a no-fuss blender that gets the basics right and won't eat up counter space or your wallet, this is a smart pick. Let's move on to a blender that brings serious power to the mix. Taking the 2nd spot is the Ninja BL610, a powerful workhorse that's built for big batches and smooth results. Whether you're crushing ice, making smoothies for the whole crew, or blending frozen fruit like a pro, this thing can handle it. With 1,000 watts of power and total crushing technology, this blender absolutely obliterates whatever you toss in it. The extra-large 72-ounce jar is perfect for families or meal prep, and the simple control panel keeps it super easy to use. It's fast, efficient, and handles large volumes with ease. However, it's not perfect. It doesn't do hot blending, and fibrous ingredients can sometimes be tricky. The blades are sharp, which means you have to be extra careful cleaning it by hand. Also, no presets or digital display, so it's more manual than some folks might prefer. This is a great option if you're focused on smoothies and frozen drinks and want something that blends fast and strong without the extra bells and whistles. But if you're serious about blending everything from soups to nut butters, there's one more to check out. At the very top of our list is the Vitamix 5 2000, a true legend in the blender world. This thing isn't just a smoothie maker, it's a culinary powerhouse. If blending was a sport, this would be the MVP. It comes with a high-performance motor, aircraft-grade stainless steel blades, and a 64-ounce container that can handle everything from green smoothies to steaming hot soups. Thanks to its variable speed control, you get ultra-precise textures, whether you're making baby food, frozen desserts, or even nut butter. Now, it is a bit of a beast. It's tall, heavy, and it doesn't fit under every cabinet. It's also not dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes a few more minutes. And yes, it's pricey, but when it comes to results, versatility, and durability, it's hard to beat. If you're all about performance and want a blender that can do literally everything and last for years, the Vitamix 5 2000 is where your money should go. Still deciding? Don't forget, all the top products we talked about are linked in the description below for the best deals. Hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.